So now the third delivery of the 70th over, it's by Hardik Pandya, and Hassan Ali has played it into the gap as well. Wow, that's another 4. Wow, beautifully done. It's a wonderful delivery, but he has played a master stroke here. Hassan Ali Belgian here. Wow, into the gap, and that's another boundary for Pakistan. Pakistan needs now 34 of 14 deliveries, still not in hand, as this is last wicket in hand. So Pakistan cannot afford to lose this wicket, so they have to play in fact very nicely, and they don't have time to waste, and they don't have a time to tuk. So now another delivery is coming up by Hardik Pandya, and this is another dots ball. Oh dear, what happened here? Oh dear, now so Hassan Ali has missed the ball here. So 13 deliveries, and Pakistan needs still 34 runs. It's a really big target. So the last delivery is coming in, and now Hassan Ali has played it, and now it's into the gap. So but only the couple of runs, so 2 runs taken. Hassan Ali now the target down to 32 of just 12 deliveries, and Shaheen Shah Afridi is the next man. Is in fact is not played a single delivery, but he is going to face the 19th over. And what can he do here? He's a wonderful bowler, but he has not proved himself to be a wonderful batsman as well. So but it's time to prove himself. So 32 of just 12, and Chahal is going to bowl the 19th over here. Pakistan needs 32 of 12, and Shaheen Shah Afridi now has the first ball is coming in by Chahal. So oh, that's a lovely delivery, and oh, Shaheen Shah Afridi has missed it, and so another dot, and so Pakistan needs 32 of just 11. So can Pakistan do this? Can Pakistan really make this? So Shaheen Shah Afridi, another delivery is coming in by Shahal. So 11 deliveries in hand, and Pakistan in 32, and Shaheen Shah Afridi has picked up it high, and that's high. Oh, that's a fantastic hit. Let's go on for another 6. Oh, wonderfully played. What a shot. This one has been 90-meter 6. It's a 90-meter 6 on the offside. Wow, Shaheen Shah Afridi, well played, little guy. You have done a good job for Pakistan. So Pakistan now, the target now is 26 of just 10 deliveries. Can Pakistan do this? And that's now the next ball is coming in by Chahal, and this time on the offside. And